In this video, you'll learn how to resend an email campaign to non-openers using Mailchimp. This process allows you to maximize engagement by reaching out to those who did not open your initial email. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Once you arrive at the homepage, you may need to sign in to your Mailchimp account if you're not already logged in. Ensure you have access to the correct account where your campaigns are located. After signing in, look for the campaigns section in the main navigation menu. Click on campaigns to view all your email campaigns. This section displays a list of campaigns you have previously created, allowing you to select the one you want to resend. Next, locate the email campaign you wish to resend. You can identify by a subject line or the date it was sent. Once you find the campaign, look for the replicate option, which is typically represented by a button or link. Click on replicate to create a copy of the original email campaign. After clicking replicate, Mailchimp will open the campaign editor with a new draft of the email. In this editor, you can make any necessary changes to the content or subject line before sending it again. Once you're satisfied with the edits, proceed to click on the send button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Following this, you will see an option that says send now. Click this button to confirm that you want to send the email to your non-openers immediately. Keep in mind that if your email contains large images or attachments, this may affect the upload speed and the time it takes for the email to be sent. Ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid delays. Once the email is sent, a confirmation message will appear on the screen stating, "Nice job, your email is sending." This message indicates that your email has been successfully queued for delivery. You can monitor the status of your campaign in the campaign section to see how many recipients open the email after resending it. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.